Gan 251M Air. So let's have a look. We've got Gan 251M Air there. What's this? Okay, this is a Gan 251M Pro. So I've unboxed the Leap before, but let's do these now. So let's do, here in Czechia it's 252. Well, here in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland it's 152. So I guess you're 1 hour ahead of us. Yep, I have sent parcels to Czechia at least once. It's on my list. Yep. Currently 39 countries, I think. Do you like solving cubes? Yeah, I mean my main 3x3 cube is the WRM 2021 now, and yeah, I just use CFOP, pure CFOP, occasionally some COLL, but I'm going off COLL. Like I learnt most of the AUX, but a lot of them I don't bother with anymore because I just feel it's not worth it. It's 8:53 PM in Singapore, yeah. Okay, so this is definitely faster than the Leap. Quite possibly too fast, a bit uncontrollable. Let's have a look. Let's do some solves. Let's make this bigger and put it on the other side. Right, okay. Let's not make that quite so big. Right, okay, so we need to go into 2x2. And we can make us. No, let's just keep them in the same session. This isn't serious anyway. Alright. Okay. In regards to like, do I like solving cubes? Like, if I didn't, I should not be running a cube store. Can I predict anything here? Oh yeah, this is going to be straight into soon. Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm sure anybody decent at 2x2 could have done that so much faster. Okay. Not bad, is it? 3.62. That's not actually that bad. Right, let's try the air. How do you open this? Oh, let's open it from the bottom. Okay, a strange way of putting this. Okay. I mean, this is Gan we're talking about? I mean, I would have thought they'd have a bit of a better way of boxing this thing. But, okay. Maybe it's just a really early batch where they don't use the normal boxes. Right, okay. So, this is the Gan. What's your... No wonder the... yeah, WRM is a really nice cube. MS3V1, I mean, yeah, they just sit there behind the Gan cubes and nobody ever seems to want them. It's quite sad actually, because you would hope that people would actually try them, give them a go, but because otherwise why is that designer going to try and design anything better? But yeah, so if you can afford to get an MS Cube, give it a go, because support the designer as well. Yes, cube stores. Okay, I don't like this as much. Right, okay, so that is much slower, 4.79. So, I'm going to say the best GAN 2x2 is the GAN 251 M Pro. Obviously, some people will disagree with that, and that is absolutely fine, but I think the GAN 251 M Pro is best currently. Maybe I'll make a comparison video at some point, but the problem is I'm not that good at 2x2, so I don't know how much my opinion should be weighted in regards to 2x2s. GAN 251 M Pro and GAN 356XS